So employee communications. Communication is often defined as the sharing of information and ideas in the business world. Exchanging information is essential for your company's success, and there are many different avenues available to communicate with your employees and customers. So with the advent social media, the number of communication option has exploded. As the speed of communication accelerates, the challenges to communicate effectively also increases. So keeping the communications accurate and informative becomes a daily challenge. So the communication helps individuals and groups coordinate activities to achieve goals, and it's vital in socialization. So in socialization, decision making problems, problem solving, and change management process. So where the communication will be helpful. So internal communication also provides employees with the important information about their jobs, organization, environment, and each others. So the internal communication also provides employees with the important information about their jobs, organization, environment, and each other. So communication can help motivate, build a trust, create a shared identity with each other of the employees in the organization. So effective employees communication can also help to boost morale and improve productivity. Employees who understand their role in the organization and understand how their work contributes to the organization's overall success and are more satisfied than employees who don't feel a connection between what they do and what the organization does. So, in general, we can say that it provides a way for individual to express emotions, share hopes and ambitions, and celebrate and remember accomplishments. So, communication is the basis for individuals and groups to make a sense of their organization, what it is, and what it means. So that's why employee communication is important in the organization. When you are not communicating, suppose, for example, of you only, when you people are in class, if your friend circle are like, if they are not communicating with each other, or suppose if they are not communicating with you particularly, so definitely you feel the left out. You feel out of the box that, and you will get bored to come to the colleges also. So that's why communication important. And internal communication means in the employees communication, we are talking about the employees communication, no? So definitely that will be the internal communication in the organization, and that provides the individual. So internal communication provides the individual to express their emotions, share hopes and ambitions, and sometimes why we communicate to celebrate. So everything without communication we can't live. It is hardly impossible to live without communication. Is there anyone like who will talk like gestures communication in their home, or who will talk like that, using gestural communication with their friends? Is anyone? No, no. So that's why internal communication, or without communication, it's hardly impossible to live in the organization, or we can say that in general society only. So the internal communication gives the, or we can say that the motivates the to individual to express their emotions, their ambitions, or celebrate or remember accomplishment only. If you have done any accomplishment in the organization, like achieving any awards, so definitely you will remember in future, like I was got this award, and my performance was that time was how it is. You will remember all those things in your future. So that's why employees communication is very important in the organization. And definitely if the communication is properly made, so definitely it boosts morale means we can say that the ethics of the individual, and improve the productivity. So if you are following the hierarchy, the communication flows is going properly, like your manager to the subordinate, and to manager, the top management people are communicating very well. What are the procedure, rules and policies they are following? What are the working hierarchies going on there? So everything will be, if they will communicate, definitely that boost the productivity. If you are not getting what I want to, what I have to do in my task, definitely you will be like miscommunicated, and at the end you will done something else only. So communication is very important in the organization, and with that communication, satisfied the employees will be satisfied, and they don't feel like hesitation if the communication is like properly made. So, role of employee communication, the importance of communication skills can be seen when good quality communication occurs. So that prevents misunderstandings, communication, and conflict. It produces productive work and a performance, which ultimately impacts the company's bottom line. Definitely, if you are doing properly communicating, if you are communicating properly, definitely it boosts your productivity. What is the role means how it how you are going to be act. The importance of communication skills can be seen when good quality communication occurs. So good quality communication occurs, so what we have to do, the communicator or the employees who are going to be communicate with each other, or they have to be very well in the communication. So that prevents, so definitely it avoids the misunderstanding. If you are well communicated, or if you are using quality communication in the organization, definitely it prevents from the misunderstanding or miscommunication. And that sometimes if the communication miscommunication is going in the organization, definitely that arises the conflicts, or we can say that the issues in the management. So it produces a productive work and performance with the ultimately impacts of the company's bottom line. Concept of organization culture, the values and the behaviors that contributes to the unique social and a psychological environment of the organization. Organizational culture includes an organization's expectations, experiences, philosophy, and values that hold it together, and it expressed in its self-image, inner workings, interactions with the outside world, and future expectations. So the organizational culture is the collection of values, expectations, and practices that guide and inform the actions of all the team members. So think of it as the collection of traits that make your company what it is. A great culture that lead to improve performance, while a dysfunctional company culture brings out qualities that can be hinder even the most successful organization. Corporate culture is shown in the ways of organization conducts its business, treats its employees, customers, and the wider community. So next is the extent to which freedom is allowed in a decision making, developing a new ideas and a personal expressions. How power and information flow through its hierarchy, how committed employees are towards collective objectives. So it affects the organization's productivity and performance, and provides guidelines on a customer's care and services product quality and safety, attendance, and a punctuality and concern for the environment.